how minimizing waste impacts sustainable building performance. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we discuss how minimizing waste through material sourcing helps improve sustainable building performance. The circular economy also focuses on waste minimization. This can be thought of in many ways, but it's easiest to think of the three R's: reduction, reuse, and recycle. First, reduction, the amount of waste through which manufacturing from forming systems, which are large structures, are usually assembled at the construction site. They can instead be prefabricated at an off-site facility, which reduces the amount of waste at the project site. Here you can see examples of unitized curtain wall systems where the modules have been pre-built, pre-glazed off-site, then carried pre-assembled to the job site and installed one by one. Again, minimizing the amount of waste at the job site. Reuse mainly hits renovations, expansions, or additions. Instead of demolishing components of a building being expanded, you can reuse materials being removed somewhere else in the project. Here's an example of a renovation. The Target Center, originally built in 1990, it was renovated in 2017. This saved over $350 million over building a new one, and it added 20 years of life expectancy to the existing building. The large feature curtain wall was renovated, including high thermal performance glass for improved energy performance and optimization. And the last concept, recycle. For framing systems, typically this last R, recycled, is also an important characteristic for waste minimization. Recyclability for aluminum is one of its best qualities. Aluminum is 100% recyclable without degrading the material, which means that aluminum frames can be recycled over and over again as aluminum frames. It is also one of the easiest materials to recycle, as a majority of areas accept aluminum in the recycling streams and will even pay for it. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.